What's up guys, this is TJS and today in this video I'm going to unbox this invite which I received from Oneplus. Basically this is the Oneplus 6T Indian launch invite, and considering the weight of this box, I believe along with the invite there are some goodies present in this box. So let's find out what inside the box. So what we have here is some kind of a holder, I guess, and it's made of a glass, and that makes this thing pretty heavy. Let's look what else we have got here. This is the invite. And there are some more glass cards. Okay, now I got it. These cards will fit in this folder like this. So this is the complimentary gift you get with this invite. And beside this, at the venue you will get some more Oneplus goodies, maybe a t-shirt or bag, and a brand new Bullets wireless earphones. So that's it guys, this is TJS. Please subscribe my channel for more tech related video. Thank you, bye bye.